Hello, hello, hi everyone. We're gonna go ahead and do the worksheet video. Let's go ahead and start off where we left off. Like I said before, you could have completed this already, but this is part of logs, so I kind of just want to give you that space. Um, let's go ahead and start. Now, if we look here, we can see that this would all be a lot easier if this whole thing was just 1 over something, right? So let's go ahead and manipulate this. So we have u is, actually, we technically don't need to make this whole, let's make this, because 1 over u to the power of 3 is also easy. And we do see its derivative still there. So let's do that. I feel like if we make the whole thing u, its derivative might not appear. Well, actually, let's go ahead and double check that here. I'm gonna go ahead and do it in an erasable pen though. U of e5x minus 3 du is chain rule, so 3 e5x minus 3 and derivative inside, which is, yeah, so there's like a double usage of exponentials happening, and we'd only have e5x. So no, for sure. We're just gonna make that bottom part pretty by just making it u to the power of e5x minus 3, derivative of that, du is 5e5x. Now the only thing is, oh actually no, this does pop up. We can just factor out the 5 from that 20. So integral, I'm gonna go ahead and take it outside since that's how it'll appear at the end. 5e5x over e5x minus 3 to the power of 3 dx. So we have that there. It's going to go ahead and, oh, I forgot dx here. Maybe this bottom part, and then this will be this top part here, and then that dx. So we're left with 4 integral 1 over u to the power of 3 dx. That's a negative 3, so technically you do u to the power of negative 3 plus 1, which is negative 2, over negative 3 plus 1, which is negative 2. That simplifies, oh, plus c. That simplifies to a negative 2, and then 1 over u squared plus c. Right? Let me just go check the solution. Oh, I forgot a silly part. Can you guess what it is? No, it's not a live video, right? I forgot that you have to plug in u back. So while everything is correct, it's not that this problem is wrong, it's just that it's incomplete. So let's go ahead and plug in back u. You have negative 2 over e5x minus 3 squared and plus c. There you go. Now the answer is complete. All right, so let's do the last two. We got number 4. That again seems like its derivative appears here, so that's what I'm going to do. U is x squared minus 1, and then du is simply just 2x dx. Now from here, it doesn't exactly pop up. We can make it appear if we want to, but I'm just better off writing it like this. So the whole thing becomes a u, and then really we're just taking the x and the dx to make 3 over 2 integral of 1 over u du. And we know that's just going to be 3 over 2 ln of u plus c. And then we plug in back u. Ln of x squared minus 1. plus C. Right. There we go. That is correct. So far, yes. Okay. All right, next we have integral of 1 over x times ln in the bottom. Okay. Um, well, technically, I'm gonna split this up because this I don't like this. 1 over x times 1 over ln of x, and then times dx. Okay, from here now I can see what the issue is. We know the derivative of ln is 1 over x. So if I do u is equal to ln of x, then its derivative 1 over x appears dx. Yeah, okay. So if we do that, and if we do that over here, we'll replace this bottom part with u, and this whole thing on the left, and this dx with du, integral of 1 over u du, which is just ln of u plus c. Plug in back u, we get ln of x plus c. Okay, not too shabby. I don't remember doing that problem, but it happened, and we were able to do it. All right, so that's actually gonna wrap up the worksheet video. Let me know if you guys have any questions, because this is the last material video before your tests. Now I'm gonna post um a review paper that's a bit lengthy because I'm taking advantage of the fact that we're not doing um I'm taking advantage of the fact that we're not doing a video along with it, so please keep that in mind, okay? Please look at the homeworks. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And yeah, I'm gonna go and see you all in the next video. So I'll make an announcement with like the welcome to week 5 about what that's gonna entail. But let's put all of our energy towards getting this Unit 4 test done with, and then I will see you all in the next video, okay? Please be on the lookout for the announcements about that. Bye-bye.